What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have, as you can see, ICE, okay, AICE, or just International Exchange. So the thing today is up around 1.88%. All right. That said, I'm going to start from like a little bit on the higher time frame. Okay, on the higher side, we do seem like on the 3 month chart we're in this bullish range. So this is what I'm going to be um, kind of coordinating myself from. We're just tapping into this beautiful demand, and I'm expecting this to just continue to go higher, like no cap, no cap, man. You know what I mean. But again, it doesn't mean what should I like. It should not make no sense to you. I'm just giving you my own opinion, right? About just giving you a technical analysis about the thing, but we can see that after we broke this high right here, bam, there. My bad. After we broke this high, yeah, right now I'm just expecting it to just continue and clear the new high that it just made. So that said, let me know what your thoughts. This is my opinion. Have a wonderful day.